How to make simple leather clothes look designer. Why do some leather outfits look like they belong to runaway while others feel ordinary? It's how they styled. Today I will show you the designer techniques that can instantly elevate simple leather clothing. Mix texture, not just colors. Luxury style often comes from contrast. Wear leather with silk, cotton, or knit to look more elegant and expensive. Let one piece be the star. If you are wearing leather, keep everything else understated. When one outfit becomes the focal point, the entire outfit feels intentional. Last but not the least, quality accessories. Keep the jewelry minimal. Choose classic handbag, pick simple pumps. Let quality speak. Remember that designer style isn't about buying expensive leather. It's about thoughtful choices. You can look elegant at any age when you style your leather outfit elegantly with right choices. Dear beauties, if you enjoy these luxury style secrets for mature women over 40, 50, subscribe for more fashion guide and elegant styling ideas. Take care.